Do you know how to find different terms in a geometric sequence? Let's take a look at some number sequences and how to figure out different values in those sequences. Here's a geometric sequence 1, 2, 4, 8. What is the ninth term in this sequence? That's a really great question. To figure out any term in a sequence, we need to figure out a ratio. We use any term in the sequence and we divide it by the preceding term. In this case, if we chose 4, we could divide it by 2, and that would give us the value of 2. This tells us which value to multiply by to figure out what the ninth term is. Take a look. We start with the first term, which was 1, and we multiply that by 2, and we're looking for the ninth term. We already have one of the terms listed, 2 to the 8th power. This is how we can use exponents and ratios together to figure out this term. 1 times 2 to the 8th. When we multiply this, this is going to give us the ninth term. 1 times 2 to the 8th is 256. The ninth term in this sequence is 256. Let's look at another one. Here's our geometric sequence 2, 6, 18, and we want to find the 11th term in the sequence. Alright, the first step is to figure out our ratio. We choose one of the values, let's choose 18, and we divide it by the preceding value, which is 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. This is the number that we're going to multiply with. Now we choose the first value in the sequence, which is 2. We multiply that by 3. Now we're looking for the 11th term in the sequence. We already have one term listed, so it's 2 times 3 to the 10th. 3 to the 10th, this part of the problem only, is 59,049. This is a time when your calculator will come in handy for sure. Now, we take 59,049 and multiply it by 2, and we find out that the 11th term in the sequence is 118,098. We can use any ratio in a geometric sequence to be able to figure out any term. Let's look at one more. Our geometric sequence is 1, 3, 9, and we want to know what the 6th term in this sequence is. What's the 6th term? The first thing we do, pick a value. Let's pick 3, divided by the preceding number. 3 divided by 1 gives me 3. Now, I take the first value in my sequence, which is 1, and multiply it by 3 to the 5th. Remember, I use that 5 because one of the values from the sequence is already listed. You can pull out that calculator again, and our answer is 243.